Everyone, let's close the door, adjust the camera. Yeah, something like this. And let's keep the music this way. So, how are you guys today? I hope you enjoyed the last streaming with Megan, the Ambidextrous podcast starting. I'm currently trying to manage the sound to have a proper audio file to set up the first episode for the podcast. It's a bit of work, especially because I never did that before, so I'm learning. It's a long process to learn to manage this, and yeah, I hope it was an interesting experience, to be honest. I really enjoyed it, and I hope it's just the beginning. I'm planning to have more like this. Once a month, I guess. If I'm keeping up the path of once a month, it's gonna be okay for me, at least for beginning. And that's it. So today I wanted to continue my meditation app. I did some small one adjustment just before to start the streaming. Let me share it with you. It's this one. Compared to what you've seen before, I've added the name of the guy, and I should have cleaned up my throat before. Be careful. No, it's not this one. Amazing. So this is not working. Voila. My voice is better now. So yes, I was just saying I just did a quick modification on the design. I've just added this the name here, so that's the same typo, less bold. I think it's this one is heavy, I guess. Yeah, heavy, and this one will be bold italic. To name the guy, and I found the plan is to create an array with all these quotes. So the first one, that's the one I picked up for the design, is this one. And for this one is too long, so I'm not going to use it, but all this kind of stuff to have a randomized quote. I guess I won't be able to pick them all because some are too long. Undisturbed calmness of mind is attained by cultivating friendliness toward the happy, compassion for the unhappy, delight in the virtuous, and difference toward the wicked. Well, I don't know. I will start with these, and I probably adjust or add or remove or whatever. I'm going to iterate on this. It's not the purpose of the app to have quotes on meditation, but I think it's a good addition when you're opening the app to have something like this, especially if it's a random one. I like this. I did the same on Shubi for the about climate change. It was a nightmare actually to find something for this. I wanted to share some, not really quote, but numbers. And it was I'm not even 100% sure of that everything is really accurate on Shubi, because I picked up some stuff from news, from some websites, so it's really difficult to source, and especially because I'm not a journalist, so it's difficult to source what these websites were saying. So I hope it's good and true at least. But I'm not 100% sure of this. So for this one, it will be easier because it's just a small quote about from people. So I guess even if they changed the website, changed a couple of words, the meaning of it is still the same. So it's not so important. So that's the goal for today. I'm not sure I will have the time to create this element. These elements, sorry. Even the start button is nothing, so it should be easy. But my plan is to have this randomized quote. So first, Xcode. And my personal reminders. Do not disturb for an hour, thank you. So what do we have here and what did I do? Because a lot happened since I worked on these. Tower is here. Content preview. So I think we had the, yeah. So we have the backgrounds. The background, sorry, in light and dark mode. So that's cool. The preview is iPhone 12, so that's perfect. And here we had, so small quote, small button on the top. So I have to create a Vstack. So what am I going to do? Am I creating? It's always the tricky part. What kind of view should embed? So I think I should have, I will have one view for this one. Because I need to think about something, because we have two states on this view. So it means that I need to embed the quote with the quotes, the background, the small pictogram, the SF symbol quotes there. So Vstack with this, the quote, and this will be something else, I guess. So first, let's do this. Extensions, view extension, I guess I will, yeah, maybe some styles. We have the time view, the background view. I'm going to create the quote view. Quote view. And we'll have Vstack there with different parts. First the top, the header button. No, let's talk about header. And settings button. After I will have to create the quotes. No, I'm saying shit. I'm saying shit because it's not. I'm saying shit because the quotes is only the quote. But it's a Vstack with a Zstack. So I need to create a Zstack. Like this. This is going to go there. And here we will have an image. System name. SF symbols. Wow. It's not an SF symbol. I thought it was. Oh. Wrap. So it means I need to export this. and on dark mode. Yeah, that's not the same color. It's the best way to do this. 1 or 2 PDF, I think the 2 PDF will be easier. So, this one is a dark one. Here we go. Okay. Assets catalog. So we have the colors here. I need to create a new folder. Images. I have assets on the top. I shouldn't create something new. New image. Called quotes. No. in quotes. Universal. Single scale. And any and dark. Yes. The original file is this one, and the dark one will be this one. Except that it didn't. I hate this. So to have the. Why it's not asking me. Because I guess this file won't be in the project if I'm removing it. I know it's there. I know it's there. It's not asking anymore where you want, if you want to copy it locally or not. It's new. No, and it's not the 2. Show me this. Okay, so here it looks it's on the under the project, and do we have them here? Yes, we have them. So it should be included. So it's no longer a system name. I think it should work this, right? Okay. Good. Where is my main view? Is it this one? No, it's not this one even. It's content view. So we have the background view, the timer view. I need to add the quote view. Perfect. Alors, we have a Zstack, a Vstack, and a spacer to have everything on the top. No? You don't want. What am I forgetting? I should have another Vstack. The spacer on this one. Ah, yes. Okay. Okay. And now this is on. I should have a padding at 28. Okay. Is it like this? I don't remember. Every time I need to look for it. Ah, yes. So we have this. Here we will have the quote. But first I should create let's pick up the first one. Okay, and here we'll have the quote. Perfect. And under the quote we will have the author. Okay, so this one is not building anymore. Am I missing something? No, I don't think so. Swift UI forever. So I have no clue how to use a different typo on this one. Crap. So Swift UI. Font New York. Okay, so that's not what I want, because it's not a navigation bar. Custom font. So it means that this should work in this way with York. No, it's not. What is the name of it? Is it New York? Or am I missing something? Yes, it looks it's New York. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, well, this one I'm going to keep it because I'm always asking myself how to change the default size. But how can I use... Attends, let me check what this guy was using to edit. It's just serif. And what's the modifier for the style? The with design serif. Let's try this. I'm going to remove this. This is working. No, it's not. That's weird. How can I use New York? Well, this was a descriptor, so it's not this one. Font weight. Design. I guess it's this. It's this, sorry. And here I should have, yeah. There we go. It's heavy. And the size of it is 28. It's looking the same, huh? Perfect. And this image. I'm going to do it like this. Voila. And here I would like adding. Is it working top? Yes. Let's take 40 to try it. Okay. So we have this one. Let's use the same for this one. And how is the italic one? Do you know? Just point. There is a modifier for italic. Tac. Oh, interesting. Okay. This should be like this. We have a Vstack who should lead. Okay. And this. How am I doing this? It's dirty what I'm doing. Huh? Really, really dirty. Okay. Now I need to change the foreground color. I think I have something for this, right? I've created something for the colors. It's main color. Should I use just .men? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to create another one in dark mode. Okay. Can I create a content preview? No, I cannot. Oh, we have our quotes. The design of it actually. So first step is done. In your design, find a UI perspective. Let's create a bit of documentation here. Okay, okay, that's it. I don't need to comment this, I don't need to comment this, and this, it's okay. What am I doing with the button? I'm asking myself if I should create it now or not. Well, I will do that another time. Doesn't really matter because I don't have anything to set here for now, so let's keep it simple for now. The space is there. Maybe I can create the view. Well, let's create the view. New file. A view I'm going to call header. Header view, yes. But for now, this view will be empty. It's no longer working, empty view? Yes, it's working, of course. So it means that on this one, we have a Vstack with the background, the stuff, and the header view. Let's check if it's okay. I should probably try the simulator because I've not run the app for a long time. Why my chat room is saying welcome to the chat room? I don't know. Yeah, let's play. Run. So for people who don't know, I'm using the new M1, the MacBook Pro M1 for streaming. So it's amazing because look at my CPU. So OBS is using a lot. But look at this, the simulator. Xcode is not even on the top 5 usage of my CPU. I guess OBS will get better after, but for now it's not really optimized for it. Well, my loading is okay, but the fan is even not working. It's crazy. And we have our app there. Good. Every time I forgot to turn off this. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let's commit this code. So we have our code view. And in code view, styles. And new header view. Okay. So what do we have? What else do we have? Oh, I forgot to change it's 18. What I'm going to adjust is not only this, but also the accessibility. What was the name of the? I forgot. I forgot. Yeah, this one. It's relative to. Okay, cool. And this is this, right? Here it's working? No, it's not. Custom size. It's annoying sometimes with SwiftUI because related to where you're putting the stuff. No, Jeremy, this cannot work. Line. It's not working. Extra argument. Ah, of course. Type string has no number AV. Yeah, so I cannot use this. It's not working. Let's keep it like this for now. No. Every time, yeah. This one will be called the quote. The quote, sorry. And I need to create. How did I did it for? I forgot actually how did I do this? Ah ouais. Well, for this one, it have to be a dictionary because I have. Yeah, and I never built a dictionary in SwiftUI. Dictionary. I don't want to add an item. I don't add or append an item. I want just to. Well, let's see how it's working already. Okay. It's going to be simple. So we will have the quote and the author. But I should probably. Okay, what? I'm missing something. Yeah, but it's not as easy as this one because I want to... It's not this. So this... It's as simple as this? Mm-hmm. No, that's what I did actually. Let's try this, we'll see. So my quotes are here. Oh, this dude. That's the tricky part when you're not coding every day. That stuff as simple as dictionaries, I'm not able to remember how to do it. It's a nightmare. I guess it will get better after a couple of years. But for now, I really do need every time to ask myself how to do it. I will do this first 3. Okay. Okay. So my other stuff, so I add this. And if I'm doing rename, I should be able to find where. Yes, that's this one. So code view.swift. Alors, get code function. Yeah, but this. Random element dictionary, and it's Swift UI. Okay, perfect. Now I need to define this in this way. No, I don't. That's it. So here I have the state. Okay, so let's do this. I have my codes here, and where is the code view? Let's do this. an empty. Well, can be private too. The var before it will be more better. Then I can let's do the same. It's working perfectly like this, except that the random quote is equal to. But what is quote array init? Ah, Jeremy, of course. Of course. And this one will be quote array. No, my quotes, sorry. And I should rename this because it's a class. My quotes. What you need? Dot quotes. Yes. And I'm changing the state of the quote to. I don't know what was. It's the same actually. Yeah. Quote. No, random quote. Dot random element. It work like this, right? No. Cannot convert value of string to expected dictionary string value elements aqua strings. Putain, guys. Something like this? No, it cannot work like this. So it's dict. Is it working like this? Or like this, maybe? Is it Swift UI? No. Oh my god. Value.element. What am I missing? Well, after all, I can also do this because it's pretty obvious that I will have a random element every time. Working. Okay. But now I need to pick up the quote that cannot be a string because the quote is an element of the dictionary. It's not working like this, Jeremy. It's a type dictionary and it's key value. That's why it was not working before. Yes, exactly. Oh, la, la, oh, la, 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 la. What? So I have my stuff, but I want to pick up. What do I need to pick up? So the empty state is this one first. String ball. Okay. I can do this after, right? Okay. So it means send here. I have to come back in a minute. I have to come back in a minute. I'm back. Where is the view? It's this one, right? Yes. Here we go again. So. What I was looking at, yes. How to randomize random dictionary. I don't want a for each, I want a return dictionary item in Swift, exactly. And the issue is the key value stuff, but I was not expecting this to be so difficult, to be honest. Okay, so this one I know. It's for just a simple array. And my question is, should I create... where is my... Yes, here we go. So should I create something with... Oh, this is... This one... Okay, remove key value now. Iterating over a dictionary. Okay, so this is creating a list. Property. Ooh, I think I need to deep dive on this topic before to do anything, because I'm going to use too much time. Get notice and value dictionary. Maybe I should just, because I guess I'm not the only one doing this. Like optional strings to type string. So what if I'm removing this? Keeping this in empty state. And here, so something like this. Cannot apply to operand of type dictionary string value element. Like optional string and string. Can you just produce the expected? Okay. And if I'm unwrapping the stuff, it's weird because I have the same here, right? Yes. Let's define this, defined this way. Maybe I should. I'm not seeing the purpose to do this, but let's do this. Should be clear without it, anyway. Okay. It's not value actually, because it's not a value there. It's count. No. I should count before to randomize this, right? Keys. Count. Dot. Oh, that's it. Count. It is not the code, it's code key. Cannot call value of a non-function. Oh, okay. It's value. Ooh la 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 la. Don't tell me it's just this. So it means that the code should be random quote. What do we have? Yeah, count. So you see if I'm doing this, random quote. No. Key. No. What was the stuff? Right, random element. So I was initiating this like this, and after I was picking up a random element from the stuff. So it means that here what if I'm doing this like this? I should. What if I'm doing this? Initialization. But what is this one, dude? What the fuck are you talking about? Okay. But it's not, cannot work in this way anyway. So I don't have the key. Let's Google. I want to build a dictionary of string. Dictionary. It's not this, not this. I'm missing something and I'm not seeing it. Probably something really simple. The correction where you can access each item using a numeral index such as source. Yes, it's exactly what I did. Except, because I'm not using the dictionary as a... Oh, Jeremy. But how can I... I don't like when I'm using too much time on something as easy as a dictionary. It's with this kind of stuff that everyone is able to see that I'm already a fucking noob. I don't have key values. No, it's a dictionary, so I have key values, but it means that my quotes here have to I cannot be like this. First, I'm going to remove this. And it means that we should have quote like this. Up. And author. Like this. Comma is better. But how can I create? It's an array in an array in a dictionary. Let's try this. Dictionary of array. Ah no, it's an array of dictionary. Okay. Array of dictionaries. I guess. Exactly. Okay. Let's build 3 of these. No, it's until here. Can pick up this actually. Ah no, I cannot. Okay. 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 Let's have this more breathable. Then so it means to do this, I need to. I didn't know I could do this. So it means that it's initializing the random code. But I don't even need this anymore. I can initialize them. It was probably also true for here. They are putting them under the body. Let's try this, but I don't believe it will work in my... And this should be the quote dot map. Point T. Wait, sorry. I know. I don't believe in this. Especially because it's not link. Value. Okay. It's interesting. No match calls in initializer. This cannot work at all. Let's keep this. Ah, okay. Yeah, I don't need to format them. So it was good initially. I don't need to do this actually. No. custom quote dot count. Oh. Maybe it's as simple as this. Huh? And let random quote. Random quote equal quotes. And it's not the index I want. I know it is. This I need to do a quote. Is now equal to array quotes dot I know. Key. Index. With the same stuff, quotes dot value with the value. Not here, but here. Ah putain, j'aurais mis index. Oh. Okay. It means that this is now a quote dot key. Is it working? I guess I need to unwrap the stuff. Yes. String protocol. How can I do this? I think it's like this. No, but should I me? Let's keep it simple. Tac, tac. Append interpolation. What the fuck? Okay, what if I'm doing this? Return the quote dot keys. Must have explicit I want a string of it actually. Cannot convert return expression of type dictionary keys. What if I'm doing this? This is my quotes. Dot init dot quotes dot random element, and what is the new stuff? Key. Value of string must be unwrapped. Unknown. And the author is a string from quote dot key. I cannot do this more. Let's return nothing for the author for now. And here I have to keep quote. Something like this. So do we have a random quote? Ah, yes. So we have a random quote. Amazing. Sorry for the noise. Amazing. So we have the quote there, but I don't have. How can I find the key? I'm picking up a random stuff here. So this stuff, that's what I need to do here. So I want a string. I think I understood. And I'm returning an array. Yeah. Dot. Oh no, not dot. From my quotes. No, but And here it means that I need to pick up the quote. Dot value. Why it's not working? Values from quote. Except that I have twice quote. Okay. So my quotes. Okay. And my quotes here and here. Why? It cannot be an integer. Ah, because it's a key. No, it's not the key. So index is the number, so it should be quote. Ah, because here should be the fuck. Do we have something? Quote dot count. No, it's not count, it's key. Let's try something else. I want to quote key will be an integer, and it's coming from my quote dot quotes dot random element, and I want a key. Fuck. Ah, not count. Sorry, count. And we have a number. And what if I'm no, that's this one, sorry. I'm saying shit. So I'm doing this. No. An integer from yes. It's not this, it's return integer exactly, and it's not dict count but my quote count. Dot quote dot count. Yes. So we have a random number here. Then here I want to pick up an array. My quote. No. Yeah, dot quote dot value dot key from this index that is quote key. And same here, but with the value. What's happening now? So it doesn't work because it doesn't access to the stuff. Alors, I guess we have something wrong because the code is not fitting with the guy. Yeah, because it should be. So I guess the randomized stuff is working, but why do I have... No, it doesn't work because it's the same. Ah no, it's working. But it's randomizing everything. This I don't need it anymore. Why? So this I don't need it anymore. Why? What am I missing? So I'm asking you to pick up a randomized number from this one. So that's okay. But it should be a 1 now, not... Ah, because it's computed value, I guess. What if I'm doing this? I don't think this is going to work. Yeah. Okay, what if I'm doing this? Cannot use instance member within property initializer. Yes, of course. Sorry. Okay, you're going away. Quote is there and author is there. No. Has never mutated. Yeah, okay. Does this is working again? Yeah. But I still have the wrong. Let me check, but I think the author is a name, is not fitting with the name. So to understand is from Jidu. Okay, so this one is okay. To understand. Yeah, the name has changed. What am I missing? Maybe I should do it in this way also. Let's see. To understand is from Jidu, okay? Your goal is from... Oh, is it working? To understand is from Jidu. Okay. Your goal is not to... It's from... You know what I mean? Oh, I think it's working. But I don't have it. The first one. Why? I have it. Okay. It's working, guys. It's working. Took me a lot of time, huh? My preview. Perfect. Amazing. Let's keep it simple for now. Before to commit, I'm going to add a couple of them. Wow. I was really not expecting this to be so long. But to take me such a long time. And there is probably easier way to do it, I guess. But it is what it is. My knowledge is like this for now. Okay. Well, this one is too long, this one also. Okay, and we have this one. I'm feeling alone today, there is no one. We are Friday, everyone is going away for the weekend. I'm kidding, I know that everyone is staying at home. Everyone is responsible. Oh, Bruce Lee. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless like water. Now you put water into a cup, wait, I don't think this one is going to be... In the same way that rain breaks into a house with a bad roof, desire breaks into the mind that has not been practicing meditation. Meditation and concentration are the way of life, afraid to a life of serenity. Why not? Okay, from Baba Ramdas. Couple of more. Perfect in it. And this term, calmness of mind, is instead by cultivating friendliness toward the happy, compassion for the unhappy, delight for the virtuous, and indifference toward the wicked. Do I have enough space to write this? Okay. So we have this. Oh, yeah, there is more. The more regularly and the more deeply you meditate, the sooner you will find yourself acting always from a center of peace. It's perfect. I don't know I don't know all the guys actually. G. Donald Walters. I don't know who is this guy. And this one is too long, this one is too long. I have lived with several Zen masters, all of them cats. Good. Inspiring, ouais. Meditation quotes. It's a nightmare in Europe now with this stuff. The mind is a still, the whole universe surrenders. Meditation is not to escape from society, but to come back to ourselves and see what is going on. Once there is saying, there must be acting. With mindfulness, we know what to do and what not to do. Help. Meditation is the tongue of the soul and the language of the spirit. Go within every day and find the inner straight, so that the world will not blow your candle out. I think I have enough. For now. Oh, I hope I didn't break my stuff. Okay. Wow, this one is too long. This one is too long. So this is, okay, the yoga guy. Perfect. I'm so happy this is working. So now I can commit my code, random quotes, plus adding some content. Adding quotes. I'm asking myself if the streaming is working, but yes, it's working. I think I'm going to create. I'm thinking to create this stuff to have something looking better, because these two buttons are really ugly. Boo. But well, I can do it. We have our timer view here with two buttons. I need to keep this code. We will have what kind of stack do I have to create? Because I have it's an H stack first to have the start. We have the timer first. Time selection. And then we will have the start button. And inside the time selection, we will have the time indication, indicator. Then we will have the whatever. And then we have the selection indicator. It's more or less my view. So it means, so we have an edge stack and another edge stack for the time selection. Sorry. And it's not edge stack, it's Vstack. Stupid. Same for here. Yes, exactly. And inside this, I need to have a geometry reader. Geometry in to define the spacer. Height. No, height only is from geometry dot size dot height yes, it should work. Define a spacer with the come on the height of the half of the screen. It's even too much. I think it should be, let's try it like this. Okay. Then time selection. So time indicator. Here we have an edge stack. No, the edge stack is there actually. Edge stack with Vstack for my buttons. So this one I'm going to take it away. And this one is centered. What am I putting there? Just the text for now. $15 Vstack, another Vstack. This voice is coming from the music. And then we have the indicator, and the indicator is a small circle. Let's do it like this. Yes, a small one, I said. What's the size of the circle? 12. 12. Well, center, it's okay. Center, dot center, sorry. I still have some French reactions on not reaction. Well, whatever. Foreground color of main color. It's amazing. This I should have. I need to redo this to, or should be, because it's such easiest way. Wow, 80. So let's pick up the same stuff than here. No, timer view now. 80 I said, huh? Yes. Perfect. And for the minutes, this one has a different color actually. Oh, background color, and it's dot secondary color. Yes. And the size of minutes is regular 17. Perfect. So we have first 18 minutes, and I need to create the one for 20 minutes. I'm just going to pick up this. Come on. Change it for 20 with a secondary color, and we should have something. Visibility, no. Up. Perfect. And we have an edge stack, so it means that I can create a spacer to have something. But I forgot to put the padding of... I forgot the name, the horizontal... Is it 27 and 26 or 20 something? Where is my code view? 28. Okay, you can be closed, you you can go away. Here we go. Except that I have more. Alors, how can I calculate this spacer? So I have this. As you can see, I'm a psychopath for organizing everything. Geometry.size, and this one I just about to. Whoa. Yeah, this edge stack. So why the fuck? Now I have everything on the top of it. Because I should put the geometry reader on the top of the Vstack. Probably. And this should go here. Yes, exactly. Okay. But nothing is centered anymore. Because of you? No. No. My edge stack is here. Let me think. My background is too... should be higher than... yeah. I will have to adjust this later. So why my stuff is not centered anymore? Ah, but this stack is not centered actually. Yes, this is the issue. And what if I'm doing this? Simple hack, but it's working. So I have this divided 3.2 maybe. Yeah, it's better. So this is okay. Now I need to add the start button. I'm gonna create a button immediately actually. No, it's not this one, it's this one, the shortcut, yes. And the content is text with return start. Action is empty for now. I cannot just have... okay now? What did I miss? Yeah, but if I'm letting the placeholder... oh no, it's working. It's new because before the placeholder was crashing the... and I want this to be main color, and the size of it is 22. I think there is an uppercase stuff, no? Okay, I forgot. Modifier. No, auto capitalization is not working. Oh, I forgot the modifier for the uppercase. Scale factor. Fuck. Oh, there is a modifier. Oh, fuck, Jeremy. Ah, putain. It's not so difficult, though. Okay. This should be heavy, I guess. Ouais. Okay. Alors, here we have our Vstack with a spacer from this size, but I want this to be... should I create another Vstack? Because I want it really on the bottom of the screen, but related to the size of the screen, the bottom will be different. How can I do this? clean way. Especially because we have a different state. Because I didn't want to create another Z stack, because the easiest way is to have a Z stack with an H stack and a spacer on not an H stack, a V stack with a spacer on the top of it. After all, why not? Let's try this. Missing something here because my Z stack is here. This is the end of the, so this shouldn't be there actually, but after the padding, there we go. So now we are good. The button should be outside of this V stack. Okay. Here. And it should be inside the V stack with a spacer on the top of it and another small spacer. Frame height. Like this. So it's always on the bottom. We have small stuff going on there. What? Oh, this is possible. I don't understand what's going on there. Show me the G. Okay, so we have this. This one is there. This is not visible. Amazing. And this one is. Ah. Yeah, but why? Because this one should be full screen, right? Yes. So why you? Ah, no. I don't have specified the height here. I don't like this because it means it's going to have some really weird effect, I guess. It's working here. Yeah, but no longer. Yeah, but this, I was aware of it. Anyway, it was wrong for the quote. Okay, a big one. Can you start, please? There we go. Bon, on a big one, it's okay. Bon, I'm going to keep it like this for now. Yeah, but I need to define some a different size related to the different font size. Enfin, no, scale for the yeah, especially because now the author is not right there. Let me check. Where is the code view? It's not there. Ah no, that's the header view. The header view, header view doesn't have any space, so what the fuck is happening there? So my background is there, my header is screen also. Ah, I thought I defined something. It's probably because I didn't define. Yes. Doesn't change the. That's a bit weird, no? That's a bit weird. Well, let's keep it like this. It's working anyway, and it's enough for today. Timer style. First phase. No interaction. Zero. What's happening with my... What? What are you doing, dude? Am I still online? Yes, it is working. So why this motherfucker doesn't want to push my code? Okay. Can you push it now? Should have checked this. I'm going to check. I'm going to check immediately what's going on. Where is my repository? Okay, so it looks it's okay. Where are my commits? Ah, it's developed. I was like, wow, why this is empty? Okay, 20 commits. It looks better. 2 minutes ago, adding quote, timer styles, random stuff. So that's the stuff from today. Okay, good. Yes. Guess it's time for me to say to you. Oh, it's starting to get dark. I didn't see this. I hope you enjoyed this stream, even I think I was fully alone today. If you're watching this later, please consider to subscribe if to follow. The subscription is not activated yet because I don't have the 50 important followers yet. I guess I will have some at some point. But for now, it's not possible. And that's it. Tell me that it's lagging like fucking god. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. See you later. I don't know for this weekend if I will be able to stream. I guess I don't know. Maybe, but I don't know yet. And I see you in the next stream. Bye bye.